Meaning of fearlessly.
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 Fearlessly. Fearlessly means to do something without being afraid or frightened, showing courage or bravery. When one acts fearlessly, they are able to overcome their fears and take risks that others may not. They are willing to face challenges and obstacles head-on, and are not deterred by the possibility of failure or setbacks. Living fearlessly can lead to a more fulfilling life, as it allows individuals to pursue their dreams and ambitions with confidence and determination. It is a quality that is admired and respected, as it requires strength, resilience, and a willingness to take on the unknown.